Here at MCTA, I'm not just learning digital marketing, but I'm becoming a kind of marketer that sees every challenge as an opportunity to take. Hi, I'm Saniya Achhwa. I'm a BA Economics graduate from Mithibhai College in 2025. Currently, I'm deep into MCTA's PG program in digital marketing, and every day feels like I'm unlocking a new piece from the bigger puzzle. Coming from an economics background, I've always been curious about these trend shifts and the decision making which goes behind these trends. But here I am, turning these curiosity into action, managing brands online, creating campaigns, and also using these data to create decisions not only efficient but also smarter. What excites me the most about digital marketing is the problem solving side of it. I just love how something isn't just working right, and I, just like a drop in engagement rate or a low conversation rate, and I can dig into the analytics, spot the issue, and create strategies to fix this. For me, it's like a detective work, but with a creative twist in it. The practical projects at MCTA are sharpening my skills every single day, whether it's creating social media content or refining brand messaging. I'm not only building confidence to execute these tasks, but I'm building confidence to think strategically like a marketer who can adapt into any situations and market trends. Looking ahead, I envision myself collaborating with the brands that wants to work in the digital space by overcoming their challenges to connecting them with the right audience, and most importantly, just creating meaningful relationships. My goal is to always keep learning, staying ahead of trends, and lead campaigns that just not sell but also inspire. Here at MCTA, I'm not just learning digital marketing, but I'm becoming a kind of marketer that sees every challenge as an opportunity to take.
Visit www.mcta.co.in